Getting the ideal lighting for your house. Nothing makes or breaks a room quite like lighting. It changes the mood, sets the ambience, and can help define spaces like living and dining rooms or nooks and kitchens, particularly in open concept layouts. There are many lighting options available like LEDs, CFL, incandescent bulbs, etc. 3 sources of light are required in each room: general, specific, and ambient lighting. The standard and central lighting goes for small ambient lights. They bring a sharper personality, warmth, and softness to a space. They can also easily reach out to the darker corners of a room. Warm white lights works well in bedrooms and living rooms. Cool white light, on the other hand, is more suitable for areas where you want to clearly see what you're doing, like a kitchen or a garage. In multi-purpose areas, you can even use both for creating a better ambience. Mirrors and glossy floors bounce light around a room and make it appear bigger and brighter. Yes, that's the thing with lighting. Nothing looks good when it's overdone, so keep it subtle. Too much light can be uncomfortable, especially at night. It can cause immense strain on your eyes and can get very jarring. Let's not forget how having natural light fills up your home. No replacement will ever be good enough. One thing you must do is to maximize the natural light in your house. It's economical, simple, and really does make a difference. Lighting is an essential element while designing your home, as it creates vibrancy and symbolizes positive energy. Visit a nearby BuildPro store to explore a wide range of durable, elegant, and modern home building products and fittings for your house. Truly a one-stop shop for all your building products and solutions. Built with BuildPro.